अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
या रब्बी लकल हम्दु कमा यंबगी लिजलाली वजहिका व अज़ीम सुल्तानिक। अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बना लकल हम्दु बिमा खलक़तना व रज़क़तना व हदैतना व फर्रजता अन्ना। अल्लाहुम्मा लकल हम्दु बिल इस्लाम व लकल हम्दु बिल ईमान व लकल हम्दु बिल कुरान। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा। अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़्क़िहना फ़िद्दीन। अल्लाहुम्मा इन्ना नस्अलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा। अल्लाहुम्मा सब्बितना इंदल मौती बिला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। अल्लाहुम्मा जअल अमलना कुल्लहु सालिहन वजअलहु लिवजहिका खालिसन वला तजअल लिअहदिन फीही शैया। आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन. So inshallah we are going to continue our revision from last class, and that is basically the test I have given you guys, and now we are basically taking it together. So last class we just did few sentences, and inshallah we can start all over. So whoever wasn't here, that can be revision for them. So I'm gonna pick Sister Bashirat. Are you available? Can you unmute yourself? Or Sister Farhat?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sister Farhat, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Madrasati. This is the title of the lesson, right?
Yeah,
What does
my
that mean?
school.
My school. Okay, and if I ask you what is the status of madrasa, what should be your answer?
Madrasa is a ism.
And when I say status, what does that mean?
It's the last Arab on it. It's kasra, so it's majroor.
Which one?
Madrasa will have fatha, so it's rafa.
So there are two words, right?
Yes.
Madrasa, right? With ta marbuta, and then we have ya.
Ya
Right?
mutakallim.
So I'm asking, what should be the haraka over here? Is that fatha, dhamma, kasra?
Madrasa. It will have a fatha.
It should have fatha. Why?
Dhamma.
Why fatha? First tell me why do you think it should be fatha? I'm just asking, yeah.
Because it's a noun, it's a name.
Okay, so what is the default state of any ism?
It's rafa. It should be dhamma, yes.
So you do not see any harfu nasab over here. You didn't see any harfu jar over here, right?
Yeah, because it has an attached pronoun in it, so that's why I think it.
No, but attached pronoun doesn't change the status of anything, right?
Right.
Yeah, so that's why it should be dhamma, right? And then ya mutakallim come, and ya mutakallim, when it is attached to any ism, what happen? It's always changing even dhamma or fatha into kasra.
Yes.
Because we cannot pronounce it otherwise. Right? So ya mutakallim need a kasra before whatever ism is before it to in order to pronounce it. But as a student of Arabic grammar, we should know what is actually the haraka over there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So madrasati, it is, if I ask you what is the status of madrasa, so answer should be it is rafa.
Rafa, yeah.
Very good, mashallah. Okay, now next one. Hazihi madrasati. What do you think?
Hazihi is ismu ishara, kareeb.
Okay, ismul
ishara al kareeb.
Yes.
It's mubtada. And madrasati.
No, lil kareeb, this is not enough. You just said that, okay, this is ismul ishara and this is the kareeb one, but I need more information about that.
It's a singular.
So basically all status, number, gender, type, all four properties you need to tell me, because this is an ism, right?
Yes. So it's always rafa, ismul ishara.
Not always rafa. They are always proper.
Yeah, it's always proper.
Always
yes.
proper. Okay,
Always
so
proper.
you're mixing, yeah. So
here it is
okay.
Gender is female. And
type is proper.
Type is proper, yeah.
Okay. Now, for the definition of hazihi, ismul ishara lil kareeb, what should more I should add over here?
It's female and it's rafa.
So ismul ishara lil kareeb, lil muannas, and what else?
And it's proper. It's
lil muannas and singular or plural?
Singular.
So what should we say? Al mufrid, right?
Al mufrid, yeah.
Or you can say lil mufrid, right? Whatever. So either you guys can say ismul ishara, al kareeb, or lil kareeb.
Lil kareeb.
Right? Both ways fine. Ismul ishara,
lil kareeb.
Lil kareeb, lil muannas. So for this is for muannas and lil mufrid.
Lil mufrid.
Okay, so this is how we can describe everything. Okay, now again, what is the status of hazihi?
It's proper, right? Rafa.
Rafa. When I say status, so I want to hear Rafa nasab and jar, not proper or common.
Rafa.
Yeah, so this is Rafa. Why it is Rafa?
It's mabni.
It is okay. Yes, it is mabni. It is not going to show us. It is Rafa. Okay, now this Rafa ism, what role it is playing here in this sentence?
It's
what kind of sentence?
It's jumla ismiya.
Exactly. Very good. So basically, since this is jumla ismiya hazihi madrasati, the sentence is starting with an ism, right? So this is my jumla ismiya. And when it is jumla ismiya, what I am looking at? What?
Mubtada and khabar.
And one more thing.
And MVK.
Yes, exactly. So these three ingredients I need, right? And which one is a must?
Yeah.
Which one is must? We cannot have jumla ismiya without it.
Without the mubtada.
Without mubtada, very good. And which one is either? Like they can come, one can be over there, and we have perfect jumla ismiya. Is khabar must? Is khabar must in jumla ismiya or not?
Yes.
Khabar is must?
Yes.
Is MBK must?
No.
Okay, khabar is also not must.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so either mubtada is must. Without mubtada, we cannot have jumla ismiya. But khabar or MBK. They can basically, all three can be there, like mubtada, khabar, and MBK. This is perfect sentence. But if we just have mubtada and MBK, our sentence is complete.
Okay.
Or if we have mubtada and khabar and no MBK, still sentence is complete. Did you get the point?
Yes.
So hazihi, our mubtada, and madrasati is what?
The khabar, it's a izafa fragment.
Very good. And what is the status of madrasati? Sorry, madrasa again.
It's rafa.
Why it is rafa? Because
it has to match the.
Because khabar is supposed to be rafa.
Yeah.
Okay, because khabar is supposed to be rafa, and
rafa by default, right?
No, khabar, like mubtada need to be rafa all, right?
Yes.
That is must for mubtada. And in nasab ism, you cannot say this is mubtada, right? So same is our khabar. Khabar need to be rafa.
Rafa.
Okay, that is the reason. And then you said that, okay, mubtada and khabar need to match. Is our mubtada and khabar matching here?
Yeah, they're matching in gender.
Exactly, right? So hazihi, since it was madrasa tun,
was changed into attached pronoun si. Yeah.
So that is a sign that this is muannas, right? So that's why hazihi is used. Otherwise, if I change over here, I say kitabi. Now, what should be my mubtada?
Kitabi. Haza.
Very good. Yeah.
Haza kadamun, haza kitabun. Yeah.
Yeah. So haza kitabi. This is my book.
My book.
Why? Because kitab is muzakkar.
Muzakkar.
And that's why we're gonna have a similar pointer with that, right? I cannot say then we have different pointers. We have singular one, we have dual one, and we have plural one, right? If I put instead of if I say I'm using human plural, because otherwise you know that when we have non-human plural or broken plural, what happen? We have to use because that is considered singular feminine, right?
Yes.
So that would be a different story. So that's why I'm using the human plural over here. If I have muslimuna, right, and I want to bring my mubtada as a pointer, what pointer I should be using with that?
Ulai.
Yeah, either haulai or ulaika.
Ulaika.
Right? So they should match, because now ulaika is my plural.
Plural, yeah.
And then muslimuna is also plural. So basically this is how mubtada and khabar go. And even when we are using pointer, these pointers are always mubtada. These pointers are always mubtada unless we have pointer fragment. Right? What does that mean, pointer fragment? Do you remember pointer fragment? No?
No.
All these pointers, either they can have a sentence. So let me write one pointer. So haza. Now either it can make a sentence or it can have a fragment,
Oh,
right?
like always attached pronoun plus ism is the idafa fragment.
No, I'm talking about haza. Haza has a quality, and when I'm saying haza, I'm referring to all pointers. So all pointers, they have quality. They can either make a sentence or a fragment. Now you tell me when you can see that, okay, haza is making a sentence and when it is making a fragment. Do you remember? Or anyone else?
Like Hazal Kitabu.
Musharraf.
Like Hazal Kitabu, that's a fragment.
Exactly. So what
So this
happened
is-
after haza?
Al, it came, if it is with al, then it's Musharraf Lai. It's a
Exactly.
fragment, it's not a sentence.
Exactly. So after we need to, after these pointers, we need to check if the next ism is having al or not having al. For example, if I say haza kitabun, right? So after haza, I didn't see any al, right? So this is my sentence. I'm gonna say this is a book. But if I have haza and after haza I have al kitabu, right? Now what did I do to kitab? I add al to it.
Make it
So
proper.
after, yeah, over here it's not about proper or common. Rather over here we are learning that after haza, if we have al, if we have ism which has al on it, then it is basically creating a pointer fragment. And now we're gonna say haza is my ismul ishara and al kitabu is my musharun ilayh.
Musharraf.
And how I'm gonna translate? I'm gonna say this book. This book is big, or something like that. So now this book, is it a sentence, this book, or a fragment?
No, there is no.
It's a fragment.
Yeah,
This book is a fragment, right?
Yeah.
So this is the
This book.
these pointers basically, they can create either a sentence or a fragment. And we should know when they are creating a sentence and when are they creating a fragment. So after haza, if you find al right after haza or any pointer, if you see an al, then basically this is a fragment. Right? So
Yeah.
if I say, one more thing, if I say hazihi, now hazihi al madrasa, I don't have ya over here, just madrasa. Hazihil madrasa tu. What should be the translation?
This is school.
This is school.
This is school?
This
This is the school.
This is
The school. Right? Al madrasa.
al.
Okay, no.
This-
Over here, do not.
Oh, it's Musharraf.
Okay, do not try to translate al over here in that case.
Yeah, this is school.
This school.
Okay. I know that you guys, when you see al, you wanna bring da over there, but not when we are into pointer fragment. Forget about al then. Why? Because that al is basically creating a fragment. This al is there to create a fragment. So hazihi madrasatu mean, if
This
I
is
have this.
This is school.
Yes, this school. Okay, and one more thing we learn about pointer fragment when we were doing it. If madrasati is my idafa fragment, right?
Yes.
Yes.
if I, this is a sentence, Hazihi madrasati, this is my school. This is how I'm translating this sentence. But if I want to say this school of mine is big or beautiful, right? Because maybe I go to a different madrasa. I have two madrasas. So I want to say this madrasa of mine, how I'm going to do that?
هذه مدرستي.
The
You
pointer
add
is going to move to the end.
Kabiratun.
One person at a
Kabiratun.
time. No, forget about Kabiratun. I'm just saying how I'm going to say just the first part of it. How I'm going to say this school of mine.
Shirhat, the pointer is going to come to the end, like after madrasati.
This is school
Very
of,
good, Rabia. This is Rabia? Who
Yes.
said that?
it has to be fragment.
Rabia said that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, mashallah. You got it, you remember. Right? And the other people, please start eating badams.
Alhamdulillah.
And if you do not know what is badam, almonds I'm referring to, okay? So, whenever, one more thing over here, whenever we are pointing towards idafa fragment, then basically we are saying, I want to say Hazi Hil Madrasati. Okay, I'm saying this school
Is
of mine. Now you tell me, is that a right construction over here?
Why? Because
this.
No.
What is the
No.
problem here?
The al with
This.
Mudaf did not have al.
Exactly, because I'm saying this is Hazihi, right? So this, and then I have al, so that's why this is a fragment. But madrasati is madrasa is basically my mudaf. And ya mutakallim is my mudaf ilayhi.
Yeah.
And now I'm giving mudaf al. How haram?
No,
Job
we
I'm
cannot
doing
do
here.
it.
It's a, if I put al, then it is fragment. And this translation is for the fragment, not for the whole sentence.
No, this is wrong.
yes.
This is not even a fragment.
Yeah. Mudaf
Why
cannot take
not?
al. Yeah.
What? Is it? Hazi.
Because I am breaking a rule over here
Hmm.
that I'm giving al to my mudaf. Is everyone getting what I'm trying to
Yeah.
show you guys?
Yeah, mudaf
Yeah,
cannot
yeah,
Mudaf
have,
cannot have al.
Yes.
Zahira Appa, did you get the point?
Assalamualaikum. Are you asking me, Sister Rahat?
Yes.
Yeah,
Did
I
you get
know that. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, so now how we are going to solve that problem?
Now
We
you-
need to bring this hazihi, the pointer, after it.
Oh.
Madrasati has.
I am gonna say just madrasati. I do not need to put, sorry. So madrasati hazihi. And now this hazihi is going where? But
Muakkar.
this hazihi is
Muakkar.
This is
ya
muakkar.
mutakallim or madrasa?
What?
Madrasa.
Madrasa.
This
Madrasa.
hazihi is pointing to where?
Madrasa.
Madrasa.
Yes, not to ya mutakallim.
No.
Okay, not ya mutakallim.
Oh, there's too much of noise.
Oh, who's making?
Too much of noise.
Please, if you're not answering my questions, please mute yourself, my lady.
Oh, who is that?
Oh my God. So much of
Maryam.
noise.
Maryam.
Let me mute her. Where is Mariam?
I think she muted.
She did.
Madrasa.
Okay. So this hazihi is pointing towards
Madrasa.
madrasa. Okay.
Mm.
Not ya mutakallim. Remember that. So now I can say this school of mine is big or whatever. Okay. So this sentence is done. We enough dissected it. Operation is done. Now we can move on to next patient. Okay, so here, okay, I need to pick someone. Sister Nilofer, are you available?
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so you are going to give the Irab first. So here, Kariba, Tan, Tin, Tun. What should I add?
Which one here?
Hmm?
Karibatan.
Tan?
Nah, here karibatun. Min
Okay.
minal masjidi.
Okay, very good. So
Acha,
now, what is here?
here is a detached pronoun, rafa, singular, feminine, and proper noun.
Very good. And
And kariyatun is
Karibatun.
karibatun. Now here is mubtada also. Karibatun is khabar. It is rafa, female, singular, and proper.
Very good.
And minal
Very-
masjidi, min is harf of jar. And
Why is proper, sister?
Sorry?
Karibatun is common.
Oh, she said proper?
Oh, acha,
Yeah,
yeah,
she
yeah,
said
yeah.
proper.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so I didn't hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minal masjidi, min is harf of jar. And masjidi is ism majroor. Total thing is, it is a jar majroor fragment and MBK. Mutalik bil
Very good. So here is my mubtada, Karibatun is khabar,
khabar. Yeah.
and
Minal
this whole
masjidi.
thing, this is MBK.
Okay.
And you guys see now we have mubtada, we have khabar, and we have MBK, right? And this is complete jumla.
Ismiya.
Yeah. And you are going to see some sentences where sometimes you're gonna have khabar and sometimes you're gonna have MBK.
MBK.
Totally fine, but mubtada is must.
Yeah.
Okay, next sentence.
I'll do.
Okay.
Hiya madrasatun karibatun laha salasatun abwabin.
Salasatun.
Salasatu abwabin. Idafa fragment. Yeah.
Good.
Here is same. Here is a detached pronoun. Mubtada, rafa, singular, female, and pronoun proper. Madrasatun karibatun. It is a mausuf sifa fragment. And I wrote khabar 1. Madrasatun is singular. Madrasatun.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Madrasatun is rafa, singular, female, and proper. And
No.
Sorry, common. And karibatun is also, this is sifa of the madrasa.
Kabiratun you mean, right?
Ji.
Yeah.
Kabiratun.
Okay, so you can take this one as one sentence and laha salasatu abwabi can be other sentence.
Okay. Laha is jar majrur fragment. MBK. Salasatu abwabin is idafa fragment. Then this is also covered. This is then, if it is separate, then it is mubtada.
Yes, then salasatu abwabin could be the mubtada. Okay, and about these numbers, even last time I mentioned that number 3 to 10, because number 1, 2, they have different pattern, 3 to 10, different idea, and then onward 11, 12 is different, and then 13 too. So it's quite complicated concept, but just remember that number 3 to 10, they are always idafa fragment. Okay, so salasatu abwabin.
Sister, what we'll do, we'll just stop here and then have another sentence. But
Yeah,
if it
you
is a,
can do that. Yeah.
acha, if it is
Or,
a, it is a continuous one, then this is khabar 1 and khabar 2 or what?
if you continue, yes, then laha gonna be MBK, right? And salasatu abwabin. You can say khabar number 2.
Yeah, I don't like that. Khabar 1 and khabar 2. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And one more thing.
In that case, we would say the khabar 2 is itself a complete sentence, right?
No, laha from, acha.
From laha salasatu abwabin,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
salasatu abwabin is mubtada and
But
laha
that
is
is not
MBK.
khabar. If it is a separate sentence, that it is mubtada.
Yeah, so she's saying that she wanna continue at hiya madrasatun kabiratun. So in that case, if she wanna continue, I'm suggesting that we can take a break over here. But if you wanna continue, then hiya is mubtada, madrasatun kabiratun is khabar number 1, right? Laha, we can take it MBK, and then salasatu abwabin we can take as a khabar number 2, but it is not making sense to me. It's better that
दो सेंटेंस बनाना पड़ता होगा क्योंकि तर्जुमा में भी देखें this is
because we're gonna say over here there are 3 doors.
it has
or it has 3 doors. So other sentence make more sense, right? Yeah. So instead of
तर्जुमा मैंने इस तरह किया था.
Tell teacher.
It is a big store. There are 3 doors. Call.
Yeah, exactly. You know, when we have MBK Muqaddam, right? When we have MBK Muqaddam, the translation in English, we bring there.
There, yeah.
There is, or it has. Both ways fine. Right? So it has
3 doors.
So this is a complete sentence. Right? So it's better that we take it a separate sentence.
Okay.
And we can one more thing that salasatu abwabin is muakhar, but is common. So this is a formal jumla ismiya.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Jazakallah khairan for it. Okay, now just do the last sentence, and then for the next I'm gonna call someone in. Yeah. Sister Nilo.
Ji. Another one?
Yeah, finish this one. Yeah. Abba.
Abwabuha maftuhatun al-ana. Abwabuha is a idafa fragment. Abwabu is mudaf and ha is mudaf ilay. This is mubtada. Maftuhatun is khabar. Rafa, singular, feminine, and common. Two is before for the ha, and ha is the madrasatun. That's why it is maftuhatun.
No. It's not saying that madrasa is open. It's saying abwabuha are maftuha.
Ha, for ha. I told for ha, it is maftu.
No.
Can I say that, sister?
No, let her think about it. Yeah. So think about it. I'm saying it's not referring to ha. So now what is your other clue? Why it is feminine? Abwab. What is the singular of abwab?
Broken.
Yeah, broken plural.
Yes.
Broken singular must feminine. Yeah.
Yes, because it's not saying that ha is open. Ha is referring to madrasa. It's not saying madrasa is open. It's saying its doors are open.
Yeah. Abwabuha. This is broken plural. Yeah.
Okay. Now one more thing. We say that mubtada should be proper, right?
Ji.
So is that mubtada proper over here?
Abwabuha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let her answer.
I don't know this one, sister.
No?
Can I say that, sister?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Ha is proper. So because of the mubtada, mudaf alayh is proper. So mudaf should be counted as a proper noun too.
Yes. So when mudaf ilayhi is proper, it makes its mudaf proper. Right? So yes, that's why we can say that abwab is proper right? And that is perfect for our mubtada. Mubtada need to be rafa, mubtada need to be proper,
Yeah.
right? So these two qualities it has, so that is perfect for our mubtada, and maftuhatun is our khabar.
Khabar.
And al-an is referring to time, now,
Just.
right? So this is kind of zarf. And what kind of zarf, zaman or makan?
Now.
Time.
Ana means
Time.
now,
Time.
right?
Time. Yeah.
So
Zama.
it's
Zama.
Zama. Very good. Okay, now I need next person for next.
May I?
Can I do?
May I?
Who is the
Sister, what
Yeah.
will
Sister Sakina? You wanna do it?
Yes.
Okay, and after Zaira Appa, your turn, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, yes. So Sister Sakina, go ahead.
Assalamualaikum, sister Rahat. This is
Yeah.
Najma Khalid. I am your new student. This is the
Mhm.
first class I am attending. So I want to have some chance to do something
So
afterwards.
you are the third one then, okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Fil madrasati. This is my mutalik bil khabar. Muqaddam. Fil madrasati. Sulu. Fasulu kasiratun. Fasulu will be my mubtada.
Fasulu. Can you say the i'rab properly? It is fasulu, lun or lan or what?
Fasulun.
Yes, okay. Fasulun
Kasiratun.
kasiratun. Good.
Fasulun kasiratun is Musuf Sifa. And this is my mubtada, mu'akhar, and it is common because NDK is coming first, muqaddam. So mubtada will become common.
So this is normal for mubtada to be common if it is delayed, if it is muakhar, right? So there is no exclusivity over here, because if mubtada is proper and muakhar, then there is some exclusivity, right?
Yeah, then ikhtisas will be created.
Yeah, exactly.
Then
yeah. Okay, now you tell me that Mawsuf Sifa should match in 4 properties, right? Fusulun kasiratun.
Yes.
So are they matching?
Yes, they're matching. Both are common.
Status, number, gender, type. Yes.
Status, both are rafa. Number, both are singular. Fasulun kasiratun. Kasiratun. It is kasiratun. Broken plural.
Exactly. Okay, so fasulun is broken plural. That's why kasiratun is used with that.
Therefore, both become feminine.
Huh?
Therefore, non-human broken plural, so both will be feminine.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so they are matching in a gender.
Yes, matching, and both are common.
Both are common. Very good. Very
What is fasilatun?
Huh?
What is fasilatun? Fasilatun.
Faslun is classroom.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh my God, sorry guys. My brain is sleeping still.
Yeah, faslun is one classroom.
Yeah.
Faslun is the plural of it.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, good. Now,
Shall
next
I
part.
continue or someone else? Shall I continue or somebody else?
Yeah, it's, next part too.
Okay. Haza fasluna. Haza mubtada, pointer, and mubtada haza. Haza is rafa, singular, masculine, and common, and no, proper.
Ismul ishara lil qarib.
Ismul
ishara lil qarib.
Yeah.
Lil qarib. Ismul ishara lil qarib.
And lil muzakkar.
Lil muzakkar.
And mufrad, right?
And mufrad common. Yes.
Okay, now what is the i'rab of fasl over here?
Fasl mudaf Mudaf ilay.
Iraq, I say Dhamma Fatha Kasra. Which one you gonna give?
Pesh Dhamma.
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 Dhamma. Fasluna, our classroom.
Fasluna. And because it is Mudaf, so it will have no L and it will be Faslu Pesh light. Fasluna attached pronoun. Attached pronoun is proper. So Mudaf is also proper. So matching and status.
No, we do not match. What you are matching Faslu with?
Not attached pronoun.
No, we are not supposed to match Mudaf and Mudaf ilayhi with anything. So just we need to, for Mudaf, we need to see that it is light. It is not Faslun, right?
Yes.
So it is light. It does not have al on it.
Yes.
So that is good enough for it to be Mudaf, right? And then we know that ism plus attached pronoun, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is that is our Idafa fragment. Okay, what kind of, you can, if you want to, na over here, what kind of pronoun is it?
It is attached pronoun. Damir Muttasil. Attached pronoun. It is proper.
Which one is it? Damir Ghaib, Damir Hadir, or Mutakallim? Which one? Is it first person, third person, second person?
First person. First person.
First person. Okay. And first person, the Arabic term is Damir Mutakallim.
Damir Mutakallim.
Yeah. What is Mutakallim mean? The one who is talking.
Yeah.
Okay, first person. Okay.
From कलाम करना कहते हैं ना उर्दू में.
Okay. I was not understanding.
इसमें फाइल, right? तकल्लमा.
जमीन मुतकल्लिम, yeah.
Mutakallimun.
इसमें फाइल.
Yeah. Okay.
Sister, in this
now,
case, khabar is not proper. Whole khabar. Fasluna.
Proper.
Yeah, this is not. This is proper.
Proper, yeah.
And we know that khabar can be proper.
Yeah.
Sometimes, right?
Here
sometimes.
Here it is proper.
Yeah, it is proper.
Okay.
Okay, now this is a sentence. After haza, I do not have al, right? So this is my sentence. And that's why I'm saying this is our classroom. But if I want to say this classroom of ours, what should I do?
Fasluna.
Yes.
Hazal fasl.
So no, you need
No.
was it Hazal Faslu?
Haza will go back.
Last. Fasluna haza.
Yes. Fasluna haza. We just did it.
Yes,
Right?
just now we did.
Yeah, haza will come at the end, yeah.
Aamut khana padega.
Yeah, so Fasluna haza, this classroom of mine, right? Or ours. Okay, that's good. Alhamdulillah. Barakallah fik. You did good, mashallah. Continue your hard work, okay?
Yes, inshallah.
Okay, now, Appa, you want to do it?
Yeah, inshallah. وهو فصل واسع فيه نافذتان كبيرتان وفيه مكاتب وكراسي وفيه سبورة كبيرة. So I can break down in 4 parts. So if I start وهو فصل واسع, so wa is huruf ataf, and after huwa there is breakdown. So huwa is mubtada and faslun wasi'un is khabar. So faslun wasi'un, they are matches, all property, and they are mawsuf and sifat. Huwa proper.
Which one is mawsuf and which one is sifa?
Faslun is mawsuf and wasi'un is a sifa. And normally mubtada is a proper noun and marfa, and khabar is common noun normally, and this is common noun. Faslun wasi'un.
Good.
Fi Anything else? There's the common jumla ismiya. Common
Yeah.
jumla ismiya.
Yeah.
Then fihi nafizatani kabiratani. So fihi is jar majrur, nafizatani kabiratani. Both isma in dual, and they are common too. So fihi is jar majrur muakhar, and nafizatani
Muqaddam, you mean?
muqaddam, and nafizatani kabiratani is muakhar. That's the mubtada common.
Translation.
And so fihi, in it there are, we can start with there are two windows, two big windows in it.
Good. Yeah, there are two big windows. Okay, nafiza. What is the singular of it?
Nafizatun.
Nafizatun. What kind of is that, feminine or masculine?
No, it's feminine.
Okay, what kind of
That's why nafizatani kabiratani.
Okay, what kind of feminine is it?
Dual. Yeah, dual.
No, what kind of feminine? We have different. We have real feminine, when we have kiasi.
Because it has a ta marbuta, so this one is a feminine.
Yeah, so that is called muannas kiasi or ilamati, right?
Yeah,
because we are looking at the ilama. But what are the ilama of any ism to be feminine?
Alif mamduda.
Yes, ta marbuta, alif maksura, and alif mamduda.
Real.
Yeah.
And we need to remember that alif maksura, we're gonna call that this signs only work when we have 3 letters before it.
Oh.
Okay, so if there are no 3 letters before it, then you're not gonna say this word
Consider.
is feminine.
Yes.
It's not going to be considered feminine.
It has to be 4 to include that.
Yeah. Okay, before it there should be 3 letters. For example, ma'un, right? Now can I say it is feminine? Kiasi, muannas kiasi?
No.
Because it has alif and hamza. Why not? Because there are not 3 letters before. Before this alif, there are not 3 letters. So that's why it is not going to consider feminine. Okay. Okay.
So
next
continue?
one. Yeah.
Continue?
Yeah.
Okay. So fihi nafizatani kabiratani normal jumla ismiya. Wa fihi makatibu karasiyu, to wa huruf ataf, and fihi jar majrur, fi plus hu. So because of fiya is going in the kasa. And makatibu karasiyu. So makatibu and karasiyu both are mubtada common. And maktabun and makatibu, there's Ghair Munsharif plural, and karasiyu kursiyun and plural karasiyu. So this is common noun to common normal jumla ismiya because of the common because of common mubtada.
Okay.
After coming jar majrur common mubtada, then is gonna be normal jumla.
Okay. Why it is not makatibun? Mute yourself. Who is being loud?
This is Ghair Munsharif.
Yes. Okay.
Both are Ghair Munsharif. So there are desk and kursi chairs in it.
Yeah.
And
good, mashallah.
And wafihi saburatun kabiratun. So why is huruf
follow the sentence?
Sorry?
I did not follow this last sentence. Last explanation. Yes.
Yeah, so fihi is MBK, muqaddam, right? And Mukatibu Kasira Karasiyu is basically Mubtada. And
Okay,
then
broken through.
I was asking why it is Mukatibun, why it is Mukatibu. So this is basically partly flexible.
Oh, okay.
Mamnu
Sister
min
Rahat,
sarf, yeah.
there's the waw, so it's the harfi ataf. So basically, mubtada will be only mukatabu, and then
Mukatibu, yeah.
Matufala sister.
yeah.
Means Matufala.
That will
Yeah,
take
exactly.
over, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna call only Makatibu.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
then
then
we're gonna say wow is ataf and Karasiyu is Motufun Allah to Mukatibu.
yeah.
That right. That.
Yeah, good, mashallah. Okay, next one, the same idea.
وفيه سبورة كبيرة. So واو حروف عطف and فيه جار مجرور and سبورة كبيرة since is common. So this is a normal jumla ismiya. Jar majrur is muqaddam and mubtada is saburatun kabiratun. So there is a big blackboard in it.
That is.
Yeah.
And saburatun and kabiratun mawsuf and sifat. Saburatun mawsuf and kabiratun sifat, all property matches.
Mashallah, mashallah. Barakallah feeki. Apa?
Jazakallah khair because of you, sister.
No, you already knew, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so next, Sister Najma asked, right?
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Haza maktabul mudarrisi.
Say it again. Haza
maktabul mudarrisi.
Yes, maktabul. Right? Why maktabul? Why not maktabun?
Because it's mudaf and mudaf should be light.
Exactly, right? So haza maktabul mudarrisi.
Yeah.
How are we gonna translate?
This is mudarrisi is teacher. This is teacher's table.
Yeah, desk. Yeah. So this is the desk of teacher. So maktabu and then makatibu is the plural of it. And again, I'm going to ask one more time. If I want to point instead of making a sentence, this is the sentence, Haza maktabul mudarrisi. But if I want to create a fragment, what should I do?
Let her speak.
Yeah, let her
Maktabul mudarrisi haza.
No.
Yes, maktabul mudarrisi haza. And translation would be?
This is the table of teacher is this.
What? One more.
Teacher's table is this. Right?
No.
This is the.
Okay, if you guys are thinking in your head, please think quietly because we can hear you. The whole world can hear you. So you are not thinking to yourself only. Okay, now if I'm saying that, okay, this haza is over here, how I am going to translate it now?
Teacher's table is this.
This haza is pointing towards where?
This.
Maktabul mudarrisi, right?
Yeah,
Table.
so haza is pointing to maktabu. So you're gonna say this desk
of teacher.
Yes, this desk of the teacher. Okay.
Okay.
So we are learning the constructions of grammar, but when it comes to translation, we are struggling, right? So we need to apply when we are translating it as well.
Okay.
So just say one more time.
Table. I
think about it that this haza is the first one, right?
Okay.
You are going to translate, and this haza is pointing to maktabu.
Okay.
And then
this table is of teachers. Right?
One more time. This
table is of teacher. Is of the teacher.
This desk of the teacher.
Of the teacher. Okay. This desk of the teacher.
Desk of the teacher. Why we are doing that?
We
Because
are making it fragment, not a sentence, right?
yeah, because if I do not have, look at this sentence over here, Hada maktabul mudarrisi. How I'm going to translate?
This is teacher's table.
One more time.
This is teacher's table.
Yes. So this is because there is no al after haza. I'm putting my is over here.
Right.
This is desk of the teacher.
Desk of the teacher.
This is the desk of the teacher. Right? But now I'm gonna say this desk of the teacher is broken or whatever. Right? So now this desk for saying, wow, subhanallah.
Yeah, that's too much noise.
Started, Mariam.
This is Sister Miriam.
My God.
Yes, is she?
Why people cannot think that? Allah.
Yeah, when they don't talk, they just need to put themselves on mute.
You
Exactly.
should strictly make the rules, sister.
And I don't know why today some update happened and there are some changes that I cannot even mute people to figure it out. Okay, anyway, so now where we were. Yeah, so I'm saying that since we want to create a fragment, right, I cannot put all over here.
Okay.
Because if I say Hazal Maktabul Mudarrisi,
Because it is mudaf. It is mudaf.
exactly, right? So that's why now I need to put my haza over here, but the idea gonna remain same, right?
Okay.
So this haza is pointing to this maktabu,
Tabu. Right.
right? And then I'm gonna say this desk of the teacher.
Okay.
Always remember
Sister,
that.
can we say this teacher's desk?
No, this
Cannot. This
No.
teacher's cannot. I mean,
no, because this is pointing to maktabu.
okay.
Desk of the teacher.
Okay,
Desk of the
this
teacher.
haza is not pointing to mudarrisi.
My gosh, so much of
So,
noise.
have to
sister,
be
will it be a complete sentence? I
No.
mean, this,
no, fragment.
No, fragment.
this desk of the teacher.
Is
I
that
mean,
a sentence?
No,
this-
fragment.
but
No,
this-
no,
no,
is.
it's a-
No is.
No, it's
No is.
No, this desk of the teacher, when you bring the
Is
haza
it
at the end.
broken or big or small? I want to say something more about this desk.
If it has to be laha, so belong to, then you can say that.
it's not a sentence, yeah.
Right, sister?
Fragment.
No,
Yeah.
it is still a sentence.
How
Right?
come?
No,
Not-
It
how
is.
it is
No,
a
it's a
sentence?
fragment.
It's a fragment.
It's not
You have
complete.
to say something to
This,
complete.
let me write it down. This desk of the teacher
There-
This desk of the
is
teacher.
big.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
then
that's what I
it
was
is
saying.
sentence.
Yeah, I was
Then it is a sentence.
So
Yes,
now it
it's-
is complete. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not my question. Yeah.
So this desk of the teacher is not complete sentence.
No,
Yeah.
because there's
it's
no,
like- oh,
there's
okay,
no,
okay, okay.
there's
I
no
got it.
verb, yeah.
I see. Okay, okay. So it's a more of fragment, and then you have to add more. Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't mean any sense. This
Because
Yeah,
the-
exactly.
verb, yeah.
Because
what is
the
the
more khabar is still coming.
Right.
This
More-
is
more-
mubtada.
Yeah. Fragment. Okay. Good. Thanks.
Okay, now Ya Rab. Let me see how I can mute everyone then.
Wazata kursiyuhu.
Next time I need to make co-host to someone.
Yeah, that would be better. I can't believe that they don't hear themselves talking.
Okay. Next- Ya mere Rab. I Let me see
Didn't basta kudu bine fi.
something from
Kudu
here.
bajak bi.
Marian Mubtada.
Who is Mary? She muted now.
खुद म्यूट कर लिया हाँ खुद म्यूट कर लिया
Yeah,
No,
she,
she's
No,
still
she
talking.
hasn't.
yeah,
She's still
I
talking.
don't know. Over here it
On.
is.
Okay, now it's muted.
Where we were now. Okay. Okay, so where we were. Okay, Vazaka kursi. Kursihi.
Zaka, Zalik.
Zaka. Kursiyuhu.
What was
Zaka is another way to say Zalika, basically.
Zalika?
Yeah.
Because, you know, even Zalika, no, we don't have alif in Zalika. This is how we write Zalika, right? And yes, basically it has alif after za, right? It should be like that. So za is the pointer. Za means that. So za is the pointer. So what is the rest? Basically all extras. Lam is called Lamul Bood.
Lamul Bood.
Bood mean like the one that is saying it is far.
Lamul
And
Bood.
then Ka is called Mukhatiba.
Lam.
What does that mean? Because in Quran Pak sometimes you will see Zalikum. Right?
Yeah.
Zalikum. So over here it is talking to plural. Over here it is talking to singular. Right? So that's why this Ka is basically who you are talking to. So Ka is basically the Mukhatiba. Lam is called Bood. Like this is the one that is referring that something is far. And only Za is the pointer.
Sister, what is Bood?
Bood, like from Bad.
Dur.
No, not from Bad.
Baid.
Bood is far.
Dur. Far.
Bood.
Yeah,
Like Baid.
yeah,
Far off.
exactly.
Bood.
And Ka is what, sister?
Mukhatiba.
So, sister, between Zalika and Zaka, I think they're like a Zaka is less far as compared to Zalika, if I remember correctly.
I don't know.
There's a little difference probably, but both are like far.
I don't know if Zaka is basically the like
Less far as compared to Zalika.
non-formal language, right? Look like, I don't know.
Yeah, right, something like that.
Because this is language, it's not formal or classic language, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. So Vazaka kursihi, and that is his chair. So again, idafa fragment. Vatilka makatib butullabi wakarasihi. Okay. Anything? Okay, let's do the second paragraph now. From here. Who wanna try it?
I can try.
Okay, Sister Aisha, go ahead.
So, fi faslana ashrat.
Fi faslana or something else?
Fi faslina.
Yes, because we have fi, right?
Yeah, fi faslina, yes. Yeah. Ashratu. Talabu. Ashratu tulabin.
Because idafa fragment, right?
Yes.
So number 3 to 10, they are idafa. Translation.
Translation fee in it. In our classroom, three talabin. I don't know what is
No,
tulabin.
ashratu mean 10.
10. Okay, 10.
And tulab is the plural of students.
Talibun. Talibun, tulabin. Yeah. So in our class, there are 10 students.
So there are 10 students.
10 students in our
You need
class.
to translate mubtada first, right?
There are 10
So
students in our
ashratu
class.
tulabin is our mubtada,
Mubtada.
right? And this is MBK muqaddam.
MBK.
We need to, when we are translating, we need to bring our mubtada first. So
Mubtada
because there are
10
students
students in our classroom.
So we need to learn how to translate as well, right? So when
Yes.
saying mubtada, then in our translation, mubtada should come first, right? Yeah. Okay, next one.
Wahum.
Sorry.
Wahum min bilad.
So what is Haraka Bilad gonna take?
Min biladi.
Yes, min bila.
Biladin.
Din.
Biladin. Min habijat.
Din.
Biladin.
Mukhtalifa. Tin, tun, tan.
Mukhtalifatin.
Okay.
Masif sufa.
Yeah.
So
now,
in it.
No, wahum.
No, wahum. And
what is whom?
Whom is a what I call it in pronoun.
What kind of pronoun?
Plural.
And
Masculine
what kind?
plural.
Yeah.
Masculine
There are two
plural.
kinds of plurals. Sorry, two kinds of pronouns.
Independent.
So this is independent pronoun, and independent pronoun is always what role it plays?
Mubtada.
Right. So this whom is our mubtada. Okay.
And
so
mubtada,
it is what kind of pronoun? Third person, second person?
Third person plural.
Third person plural pronoun. Very good. Okay. So this is my mubtada then.
Mubtada, and the rest is a mutalik bihaba because of min biladin mukhalafatin.
So min is harfujar. Biladin is
some majrur.
And
also
is.
And this is sifa. This is masuf sifa.
Good. So the whole thing is
MBK.
Okay. So we have mubtada and MBK. No
MBK,
khabar,
yeah. No
right?
khabar, yeah.
And this is perfect sentence.
Yes.
So how are we gonna translate?
And they are in it.
What is mean?
From
bilad mean countries.
City.
Countries over here.
Oh,
Bilad
country,
can be city, bilad can be country.
Okay.
And mukhtalifatin mean mukhtalif, different.
Different country.
Yeah, so they are
from different country.
So they are from different countries.
Country. The student is, so here is whom is referring to student, right?
Yeah.
From
Tulab.
different country.
Yeah, it's going to Tulab. So all these students, 10 students, right? So they are from
different countries. Okay.
Yeah. Barakallah fiki. I think this is good enough. Someone else? Yeah, Sister Shaista, you want to take it?
Yes, inshallah.
Yeah, go ahead. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
هذا محمد.
Why Muhammadun?
Because هذا is mubtada, and we're considering this Muhammadun as a khabar, and also to make it light, there is for khabar should be rafa. So we are putting dun, Muhammadun.
Okay, very good. And we know that some names,
Yeah,
they
Arab,
are
Fully
flexible.
flexible. Yeah, this is
Yes.
fully flexible.
Fully flexible.
Yeah,
Yes.
four Arabs name.
Okay, okay. You know, ladies, whoever is taking turn, please let her do it.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, yeah. So Muhammadun is Arab name, so that's why it is
Fully
fully
flexible.
flexible.
Yeah.
Haza Muhammadun. Okay, next one.
Wahua and huwa is mubtada in this sentence, and minal yaban, minal yabani. So it is MBK because of half a jar, and it will be, and he is from Japan.
Very good. Okay, what kind of word is
Mustada?
al-Yabani?
It is a what kind of word means? It's a name of city.
Very
It is
good. Name
and
of a place.
Country.
Name of a place.
Okay, name of a place is what category do they go? Like in terms of flexibility.
They are fully flexible.
No.
No.
Name
partially.
places are partly.
Partly flexible.
But it is taking kasra. When some ism is taking kasra, that is a sign, look like it's fully flexible. Because partly does not take kasra at all.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
And mabni does not take anything basically.
Yeah.
Right? So now why it is taking kasra?
Because al.
Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? Rest of you can mute yourself. Yeah, so because of al, whenever we have al on, even on partly flexible ism, then it start taking kasra.
Oh, yes.
Right? So that's why it is al-Yabani. Otherwise it should be, if I remove this al over here, it will be Yaba.
No.
Yaba.
Yabanu. Yabana.
Because of min.
Yeah, jar and yeah.
Okay.
Jar
So
and
remember all these rules. Very good, mashallah. How are we going to translate?
And he is from Japan. He is Muhammad and he is from Japan.
Okay, and Huwa is our Mubtada. You said that?
Mubtada. Yes, I said that.
Okay. Next sentence, still you can do it.
Ustada? एक डाउट है उसका
जी
हाजा मोहम्मदन, ये हुआ मोहम्मदन भी हो सकता है ना उसका, क्योंकि हाजा हम लोग जिसके लिए यूज करते हैं ठीक है, इसमें इशारा, यहाँ पर हम लोग इसम के लिए हुआ क्यों नहीं यूज कर सकते? हुआ मोहम्मदन,
he is Muhammad. Maybe that Muhammad is standing far, right? So he's saying haza, like pointing towards Muhammad.
हाजा करीब,
लेकिन still yeah, you can say that, but you know, they basically over here we are learning how to use these pointers, right?
Yeah, actually
we are learning how to use these pointers. That is basically the idea. So we are using the masculine singular pointer with Muhammad. So if we say huwa Muhammadun, this is perfect sentence. But haza Muhammadun is also not wrong. Right? Yeah. So this is just, I think, for the teaching purpose. We don't speak like that, but
but in the class when you introduce, sister, we always say this is Muhammad, and that's Khalid. That pointers are used. So correct way.
Yeah.
In English also sometimes we say like this is Muhammad or he is Muhammad. So In Arabic
Yeah.
also. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, next one. Wahada.
Wahada Khalidun. The same rule. Hada is mubtada pointer and Khalidun is khabar. So we are taking dhamma for that. Rafa status and name is fully flexible. Wahuwa mina Sin, and he is from China. So huwa
And
is
again, you're gonna say Minasri.
mina Sin.
Sini.
Yeah, Sini. Yeah,
Right,
same
because of
same
al.
reason.
Yeah.
Yes, because of al. So huwa is mubtada and mina Sin is MBK.
Good. Okay, just do the next sentence as well.
Wahada Ahmadun.
Ahmadun. This is what I want to check. That's why.
Yeah, sorry. It is not Muhammad. It is Haza Ahmadan, because Ahmad is not a Arab name.
There is some reason why
Arab.
it's not Ahmadun ever.
Yes.
Why not?
Because it is non-Arab names, and non-Arab
It
names
is
are
on the pattern of Ismu Tafdeel, basically.
okay.
Like Akbaru. So always remember that pattern, Akbaru. Akbaru will never be Akbarun. Okay. So Akbaru or Akbara, and never Akbari. Never ever.
Yani Ahmadu is Ismu Tafdeel.
Yeah, this is basically the pattern of Ismu Tafdeel, right?
Yes,
so,
वो शख्स जिससे ज्यादा तारीफ की जाए अहमद अहमद.
So we'll put it Wahaza Ahmadu because of this ism tafdeel pattern.
Yeah. It is Arab word Hamida, right? So this is Arab word, and Prophet's name was Ahmad is also, right? Yeah. So, but since this is the pattern, due to pattern, it is basically not taking it fall into partly flexible.
Okay.
Partly flexible for.
Yeah, because it's on the pattern of Ismu Tafdeel, Akbaru. Right? So whenever I say Ismu Tafdeel, you need to bring Akbaru in your head. Akbaru, Akbara, never Akbari. Or never Akbarun.
Okay.
Right? So this is partly flexible pattern.
Okay, right.
So Haza Ahmadu and Bahuwa Minal Hindi.
Minal Hindi.
Yeah, okay. So I think we passed long time. Our class is almost 1.5 hours now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stop over here, and you got the idea. Now you guys tell me for the next class what we're gonna do. We need to go back to our Fi'l Mudari' Majzoom.
But what about the Mubtada? Because that wasn't very much clear about the last time which you gave us the lecture on the video on Mubtada, all the condition which brings it here.
Yes, sister.
I'd like to have
I would like
done
to
again with you.
I would like to do the Mubtada one that he has sent.
Reason
but it's not so clear to me
Yeah,
either.
the same too.
One person at a time. I didn't get your question at first place. Can you repeat what is the
Yes,
question?
I can repeat. The reasons permitting Mubtada to be common is same you taught us last time, and it wasn't very clear to me, the points.
It wasn't clear. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me get that PDF. Okay, let me. You guys still want to record it? It's gonna be very long recording. Where is? I think this is the one. Yeah. Okay. What did you
First
not?
6 is clear. First 6 points are clear, but
It's clear. Okay. Okay.
Alhamdulillah. Starting from 7th, I'm not clear.
Okay, I think because we didn't see these example a lot, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So this lam, that is called lamul ibtada, right? So sometimes in a sentence, right, you see that with the khabar of inna, you're gonna find this lam with it, right? Inna Allaha la ghafurur rahim, right? So this lam is called lamul ibtada. It comes for emphasis, and when this come, then you're gonna find if it is sometimes it's gonna attach to the khabar of inna, but sometimes it is getting attached to mubtada itself. So when it is attaching to mubtada itself, then mubtada would be common.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So wala amatum mu'minatun khairum min mushrikatin. So over here this lam is lamu ibtada, and when since it is attaching to mubtada, right? So this amatun is mubtada, and then mu'minatun is the sifa of it, right? So that's why this mubtada over here is common, because lam mubtada has attached to it.
Okay.
Sister, the lam ibtada is lam tawkid, is it?
Yeah, you can call
It's the same, yeah.
it as well.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then lawla.
Yeah.
So sometimes you will see in Quran Pak lawla come, and after lawla, if you have ism, this ism gonna be because lawla can come with the fail as well, right?
Yeah.
But when it is coming with an ism, you're gonna find the ism common.
Okay.
That will be the mubtada.
Yeah, and that is our mubtada.
Okay.
Right, and then we see that sometimes we are referring to the type of something. So I'm saying I saw different kinds of roses. Ra'aytul warud. So ra'aytu, we know this is our fail file, and waruda is the mafulun bihi over here. I saw what? I saw roses. And now I'm describing roses, and then you're gonna see that when we are describing, referring to the type of something, you're gonna see that this is common. So now ba'dun ahmaru wa asfaru wa akhdaru.
So these are common, yeah.
Ahmaru red or asfar is.
Yeah. So when you are referring to types of something, then you're gonna find the mubtada
common.
Here.
And ahmaru because akbaru's pattern. Superlative.
Yeah, ahmaru is same. These colors are also on afalu pattern, right?
Family 9.
So these are color pattern. Color pattern are also on afalu pattern. Then when it is jumla haliya, so jumla haliya we find after jumla haliya when it is ism coming as a mubtada, that would be common. So qata'tu sahra, qata'tu sahrai, and qata'tu over here means past, crossed. So I crossed the Sahara, meaning desert. Wa dalilun yahdini. Right? And now this waw is waw haliya. That's why we're gonna say while. While a dalilun, a path, dalil over here is referring to a path or a guide. So while a path was guiding me, this is ni.
Yeah, yahdini. Yeah.
So now dalilun over here is mubtada, and it is common.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Okay,
I have a question. So aren't this 9 and 10 jumla failure?
No, Raitul Varud is complete sentence, right? And now Badun, now this is a new sentence. So I saw roses. This is my complete sentence.
Yeah, this jumla ismiya, yeah.
So I have my fail, file, and mafulun bihi.
Yeah, complete.
And now I'm describing modes that some of them were ahmar, asfar, or right?
Or green, yeah.
Yeah. Grouping something.
Yeah.
Mm.
So badun ahmaru. So badun is my mubtada, ahmaru is my khabar. Right? And the rest is
उस तरह हाँ हम लोग इसे इस तरह लेबल कर सकते हैं मैंने देखा
Can we put in
Aisa roses comma some of them are red yellow and green comma आ जाएगा इस तरह break in the chain.
No, but how since we are saying this is mubtada, right? So in jumla failure, where are you gonna fit mubtada? Right? For mubtada, you need jumla ismiya.
But this is in bracket, right?
Can we say the fragment of ismiya? Fragment of the sentence cannot.
This is complex
No, MBF, right, sister?
Can there be a sifat for the roses?
Ra'aytul warud sentence complete है. Further यहाँ पर continuation है. यानी al warud इसका बताया जा रहा है.
Yeah, but
badal बोल सकते हैं. badal.
Yeah, it could be badal.
Al warud का badal.
Yeah.
Further al warud का description हो रहा है. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Okay, I think we can.
Yeah. Yes. Jazakallah.
Okay. Yes.
For all your efforts.
Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Qur'anil Hakim wa nafani wa iyyakum fi ayati wa dhikril hakim. Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifuna wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.